video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload to Clickasnap.com. This is a photography website where you can upload your photos. So when people view your photos, you actually make money on this website. So it says it pays to share, sign up, and get paid for your content. So once you make an account, you're going to go to the top right corner and it's going to say upload. This is where you can upload your photos. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to drop in the file that you want to upload. So I'm just going to upload my photo right here. Okay, so after that, you're going to press confirm. So once your photo has been uploaded, you're going to go click on your photo that you just uploaded, and you're going to press edit. Once you're in this section, you want to edit your details. So you're just going to put a nice title here. After that, you want to put your description. After you write your description, you want to go to category and just put in your category. After that, you want to go to album. I did not make an album yet, so I'm going to press new album. And then I'm going to write in the name. For this one, I'm just going to put nature. After that, you want to go to the tag section and you just want to put tags that are related to your photo. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to press save changes. After you press save changes, you're going to go to back to my uploads. Once you go to back to my uploads, you want to click on your picture. And after you click on your picture, on the right hand side, you're going to see another section right here. And you're going to see your description, your tags. But once you go to the bottom, you're going to see this section called create a product. What you can actually do is make a product. So you're going to go to create a product and you're going to go to select a product. And you're just going to select the product that you want to make with your photo. So I'm just going to press gifts for this one. So for this one, I see a gift right here for a mug. And I'm just going to choose one of them. Okay, so I chose this photo fridge magnet. So I'm going to choose that one. And I'm going to add a price. I believe this is minimum price, and this is what the price is at. And for my price, I'm just going to put something just a little bit higher. Okay, so I put my price, and I'm going to press add a product. So once your product is created, it's going to have the screen that pops up, and it's going to say one product is created. One is successful, and here's the photo fridge magnets. I'm going to X out of this. Okay, so once you created your product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go check on it. So I'm going to go to my profile right here. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go to products. Okay, so this is the product section. I see my photo right here. I'm going to click on it and it says gifts, one products. You currently have one product associated with this image. So I'm going to click on it and this is the price that I have.